Well, every superhero is different. And I think in Champions, we wanted to make sure that players could make something that was truly unique, so that no two characters looked at all the same.
I think having the level of customization that Champions does really allows the person to feel like this is their superhero.
The Champions character creator offers the ability to choose costume pieces, their textures, the geometry, the colors, anything you can imagine. Trillions of possible combinations.
But it goes a lot deeper than that. Costumes, the look, that's really important, that's iconic. But then being able to go in and really custom tune your powers, be able to go through and choose what powers you want, either from a very thematic power set, or really go in and have an open framework and pick and choose from all these different powers in the game to really create the hero, not only from a look standpoint, from what they do in the world standpoint, to your dreams, is really, really important.
We've gone through ton of iterations on powers and reward schemes and power tiers and power organization, because everything is a separate decision, from how one power acts to how one power interacts with another power to how we display the choices between powers to the user.
The first step was, of course, building from the game, translating it to the computer system, and then figuring out, okay, what can we do now to really take it to the next level? Figuring out new ways to do stuff. In other games, for example, there's the idea of inflicting a hold on somebody, where you wrap them in chains or wrap them in rope or mystic binding so they can't move. Well, at first our holds were just like everybody else's, where I press a button, Zot, he's held, done. That didn't really feel heroic. So we played with it a bit more and developed a system where you actually now get a sort of a tug-of-war match with your opponents. You're trying to hold them, where you are working and struggling and pressing buttons to push a hold around someone else, and they have the ability to either try to fight back versus the hold or fight back versus you.
And then as you continue to play the game, it just keeps getting deeper and deeper in terms of that character creation, in terms of forging a hero. What it comes down to is not only what powers you're choosing, but what advantages are on them, what statistics you're taking, what upgrades you're giving your character to push those statistics and different abilities, what super stats you choose that's going to allow you to really become one of the strongest heroes in the world, the fastest heroes in the world, those types of things.
What's more is that with the character creator, you can incorporate things like what type of stance you have. So whether you're just a traditional hero, where it stands proudly, up to having a beast-like stance, so you run around on all four. When you put it together as a whole, no two characters will look alike.
Every step of the way, everything that we do is there to allow players to create a more and more and more custom and unique hero.
People love to do that. People love comic books, love to be able to create that type of identity for themselves. And you're going to have a lot of creative people come into the game and just have a blast.